Yes. Good morning, students. Students, today we will understand chapter number 7, that's name is Faith in God. Students, Faith in God chapter. Yes, now the story of faith in God. Story is, students, a man who was returning after married with his wife in his home, but in returning time they are returning with a small boat in a lake, but a great storm was arise on that time. The man was very quiet when storm is running, when storm was running, but wife was very excited and crying more time to her husband. Why you were quiet, students? But man always be quiet and silent also. After that, man took out the sword from its steel, then put on the neck on the her his wife. Then man asked, "Are you afraid?" from his wife. But in such condition, the wife of that said to her husband, "Why should I afraid? Because you are my husband." So same thing man said to women. Same answer is for me, means God always help us and we are faithing in God, so nothing will happen because God is always with us. Is it clear, students? So जिस तरीके से उस वुमेन का फेथ था कि उसके हस्बैंड है, उसे नहीं मार सकता, उसी तरीके से उस व्यक्ति की क्या थी कि उसको फेथ था गॉड पे कि वो उसे कोई भी हर्ट नहीं करेगा. एंड नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. यस, MCQ. First, he was returning home with his wife. Answer is right. They were crossing a lake in a boat is right. The boat was very small is right. There was a small village suffering from severe drought. Matching man, warrior, holy, book, severe, drought, boat, small. And question number 1, where was the man going with his wife? The man was going with his wife home with his wife. Question number 2, what happened? They were crossing the lake. They were crossing a lake in a boat when suddenly a great storm arose. Third, why was the man not afraid? Answer is man was not afraid because his deep faith in God. Fourth, what did he do with his sword? He brought the naked sword close to the woman's neck, so close that just a small gap was there. It was almost touching her neck. Thought, students, in this chapter only one thought we can note. Faith does not make things easy, it makes them possible. And now, students, we can fill exercises. Students, we can understand, fill in the blanks. First answer is married, second lake, third sword, fourth hopeless. First, now true false, first true, second true, third true and fourth true. So chapter number 7 has completed, students.